Welcome back to another lesson in the study of success. Today I wanted to formally introduce myself. My name is Andre Stringfellow and I am a Chief Financial Officer Consultant, aka CFO Consultant. I've been doing this now for almost 20 years. What I do is I help small businesses and nonprofits manage their administrative and financial resources so that they can maximize their company's potential. I started out in governmental accounting. I started as an accounts payable clerk and worked my way up to an accountant and then a budget analyst and then a director of finance. I was over a $170 million budget for a local municipality. I dealt with mostly health and human service related industries, and that led over into me going into nonprofit accounting when we opened up a health clinic. So what I've been doing for the last 5 years is helping businesses achieve their goals. I help them run. I give them access to executive level financial help and support that they wouldn't normally get because of the price range. I do this so that I can do my part in helping them fulfill their mission, which is helping their communities, helping their families, and helping the people that they serve. So what is success? Success, the definition of it, is the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. In regular, simplest terms, for a business, success is the ability to make a profit. That's it. And for a nonprofit, success is the ability to sustain the business and the ability to deliver on the goods and services that you promise your grantors, your donors, and the people that have stake or interest in your company. There's also two other layers of success that can be measured, but these are the more intrinsic. These are the things that deal with delivering service and value to your customers and clients and being able to create a healthy work environment for your employees. What this course is designed to do is to teach how to succeed. Success is not only a goal, but it is also a journey. It is a process. What I would like to do in this course is build on 4 principles. The outline goes something like this: strategy, then execution. We're going to look at a business principle or life principle, and then we're going to define it, describe it, and explain it. We're going to give you an example of it, and then a way to apply it. That's it. Simple as that. We're going to give you the tool that you would need in order to run, operate, or manage a successful small business or nonprofit. In doing so, like every course, you're going to need textbooks. My primary textbooks or go-to is this one right here. This is the most widely read book in all of history. This is the Bible. I use this as my foundation to all of my learning. I interpret all of the things that I learn, that I consume, through the filter of Scripture. That helps give me a grounding and an understanding that exceeds my normal understanding or my formal education. The other books, and I'm just going to give a few out, are the ones that will deal with 2 things, either mindset or skill set. It's very important to understand that success is built off of really 80% of it is mindset. You have to have a successful mindset, a winner's mindset. And then the other 20% is skill set, which is something that is your trade, something that you've learned to do. It's a skill, it's a talent, it's an ability. Mindset is the establishment of your attitude. It is the way you think. It's how you process things. One thing that I'm going to give you 5 different pillars or 5 different foundational stones to success is work. There is no success without work. Effort is paramount. That's the same as action. The second thing is focus or single-mindedness. In the book of James, they talk about a person that's double-minded, basically unstable in all their ways. It's the same as you bring the principle over. You cannot be successful if you're scattered. You have to focus on one thing. The next thing is persistence. You have to keep, and that comes with practice. You have to keep doing the same thing day in and day out persistently. The next is patience. As you do this, you may not see results right away. And that's okay because you are invested in the process. Remember, success is a journey as well as a destination. It's a process to be successful. So you have to focus on the process and not the outcome. If you focus on the process and get joy from the process, it's who you become on that path to success, which is most important. And the last thing is consistency. That requires faith, because to be consistent in doing something that you don't see the evidence or the fruit of what you're doing, it makes some people get discouraged. It creates in some people the willingness to quit. Well, you can't get to the level that you want to get to. You can't operate or function at the level that you need to if you aren't consistent. If you do not have faith in the process, and if you don't trust that the outcome will take care of itself, then there's no way that you'll be able to achieve that which you want, which is success. And what we're here to do, so part of it is going to be motivational, but not all. Very little, actually. If you become motivated, great. But what we want to do is teach, educate, train. It takes, and this is a theory based off of a study done in the 1970s, a person 10,000 hours to master a skill. 10,000 hours. If you think of that in a form of a 40-hour work week, 2,000 hours a year, it'll take you 5 years. So if success is a skill that can be learned, and you apply 40 hours a week to learning this skill, then in 5 years, you will be successful. You just have to put in the time, you have to put in the work. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in the good life, because success is one of the tools, one of the keys that will get you to the good life. I hope you stay tuned. Watch for every video that we're going to upload on a weekly basis. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll know when we upload. And we will look forward to providing you this material. Oh, and I can't forget, this is sponsored by Stringfellow Accounting Solutions. What Stringfellow Accounting Solutions do is actually give you the vehicle of payroll, bookkeeping, and tax preparation in order to help you run your business in those areas that you need most help, which is the administrative piece. So that is one other avenue that you can reach us through Stringfellow Accounting Solutions. Don't forget to check out our website, www.stringfellowaccounting.com, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks for joining us. Have a good day.